have this.
We chose this color.
This one's a yellow. We have this. And this? What are we going to do?
What that is for?
346 minutes later.
Okay. Let me go like this so they can see.
Yeah. Okay, so we have this color. This is our glue. And this is the activator.
Should we have another computer recording different angles? You're gonna be professional.
It's okay.
Yeah, we have a zip plug. We have a zip plug.
How does it? Bro, you have another one.
Oh yeah, for extra protection. It's like that. That's good. That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So you want to pour it in, and I mix it.
Oh wait, we're supposed to pour it.
You just mix it on the back.
We pour it in?
No. You pour this in.
Oh. Alright guys, watch and learn from the master. How many do I put?
Just put let's see. Okay, let's try this.
Okay.
Okay, and then it was not good enough, we'll add more. It's probably gonna need more. Okay, add a little bit more, like the same amount that you add.
Guys, be ready to be blessed with complete silence. And just our voices. Our angelic voices.
Angelic voices. Like,
This is so fun.
right?
I'm so happy we didn't do any work. I was dreading coming to class. Okay, guys, like, that's how it's going so far. It kind of giving me flashbacks.
That's crazy.
Alright. You know what? I'll let Karen do like a little talk over at what I'm doing.
Okay, right now she's mixing it. And I will stretch it out. Oh, it looks like caca. Okay. We can't do ASMR, but it's okay.
Should we add more?
Yeah, add a little more.
Do you want to hear that?
There's nothing.
No, it's okay. I heard something.
Yeah, me too. Like, think about it. Think about it.
Damn. You sure?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
We may be like cringy. We may be cringy guys doing this in class recording, but we at least we have fun.
Yeah, we're like free. Think about oh shit.
Guys, I think it's turning out good. Do we take it out yet? Look down. Look at it.
Damn, it's so sticky. Okay, let's add some color.
Oh yeah.
Let me. Okay. That's crazy. They didn't even hear that. Okay, so we're just gonna add like one drop right now, and then we're gonna see if we want it darker or lighter. Okay, now she's gonna mix it.
Red.
I think it is red.
I think we're. Oh wait, no. Oh, never mind. Damn, guys.
It's orange.
It's orange. Should we get another color?
But it's gonna be ugly if we mix it with the color. I wish there were sprinkles.
Yeah. I wish we had known that we were gonna make slime and I would have brought beads.
Literally, beads and like or like soft foam.
Remember that time we tried to make slime in class?
Yes,
Oh my
it
god.
was only Daisy that did it though, cause we had to do work.
Yeah, we had to lock in, guys, and I didn't lock in this year, so I need that mentality back.
Real, we need to go back to 9th grade.
Especially, it was so fun, kind of.
Yeah.
Oh, it's turning light. Look.
Ooh, it looks like this like this one ice cream. Sorbet? I don't know.
Soviet.
Bro, not the Soviet Union. Okay.
Oh, it's cute. Oh wait, I think
Okay. You put your finger in?
I'll put my finger in.
Yeah.
Okay.
It needs more activator. Is it sticky?
Yeah, it's sticky.
Okay, it needs more activator. Because I saw Shila's and hers was like really sticky. Alright, buddy. Okay. No, I can feel it.
You want a little?
No, I don't like it.
It's a little leftovers. Alright guys, let's mix. Wow.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I made a good sound.
It sounds fun. When he was really quiet, like you could hear it. It's not even the end of the school year, but you know. It just jumped. It knew where his mommy went. No, I don't like that.
You're gonna like
Mix it together.
Should we add more? Okay, your turn to stick in your finger.
If it's so liquidy, add more borax.
It's okay. I just add a little bit more.
Okay. Put your finger in the water.
No, no, no.
Why is that bad for people?
Yes, it's borax.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit! No, I put it in my jeans.
Damn.
Be careful! No, it's squirting your eye.
I'm trying. Where's my safety goggles? Damn. We had too much black. Actually. Wait, hold on. Okay, guys.
I think we added too.
Guys.
We added too much borax.
Yeah.
Is there?
Guys, we failed.
How do we film making slime?
Is there any more glue anywhere? Anywhere? Oh.
I'm sorry.
Okay, guys. It's okay, maybe we'll use this little piece I put on you. Put on the table, yeah. It's good? Hey guys, it's time for it to come out.
The crispy cup.
I'll put it away. Is there any pink? You want to add some pink? Okay. So I said add a little bit of red. Damn. Hope you guys see that. It's still there. Period blood, I guess.
Okay.
Alright, you guys got 20 minutes to finish up making your slime and finishing the no capture. One question for participation credit.
I'm gonna show you in English.
What do we do for Spanish?
We're just doing the. We're just doing the USC people. Oh wow, it's getting really pink.
It looks so cute.
Guys, you like it?
I do.
We're naming it Soviet slime.
It's so
It's like me.
And
Oh, it feels so good.
Oh yeah, it reminds me of her.
so sticky.
It's keeping like air bubbles. Oh bro. I thought it was gonna be a big bubble. A big crunch.
Let me see, guys. Let me see. Okay. Actually, we have more than homeless. We're better.
Yeah, we're better.
Don't subscribe to his YouTube channel.
No, we're better.
said
We
don't.
literally interact with them. With you people. I mean with you guys.
Yeah, with our fans.
Cheers. Like if you guys comment, we'll like interact with you guys.
Yeah, like when our favorite fan Shyla commented who's the best squirter of the meeps.
We literally like answered.
I always loved like being like acting like making videos and stuff like that. It was so fun.
I thought it was gonna be my bruh.
My occupation.
My occupation.
Yeah, I'm becoming. Take the rest.
Take the rest. We're taking it out.
Yeah,
like-
just cut it off me. So please don't make it stick to me again. No.
Okay. Now we added like more of the white one. I don't think you can even see the color.
So Karen.
Go back to being founded. You have 17 more minutes. You do not have fun. Right. We have a turn.
I don't think you can hear it. Bruh.
Oh, that one was big.
It's something. Okay, let's try one more time.
Okay, one more time.
One more time.
Ah, I thought it was.
Kind of. Okay.
Ah, that one was good. It was con.
Okay, you okay. The current?
Go a little over here. Hey guys, will Karen do it?
Oh my gosh, it's not working.
What happened to your hand?
I nutted on my hand, that's why. It wasn't like that one big curl.
The one that was unexpected. Like it didn't even do a bubble, but it was so good.
It was peak. It was at its peak.
Now it's look at it. It's all wrinkled.
It's so used up.
Flashlight.
Hold on, I remember this too. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to do that. Okay. We found out the secret.
You have to show them how big it is. It looks like underwear. No. Oh my god, look, that's her when she walks. Anyway, so yeah. Oh. Hope you liked the video. Karen's gonna go put away supplies like a good girl, and hope you liked our slime. Like. Alright, bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.